you, welcome back to my channel. So the other day I was reviewing high-end luxury makeup, and when I was doing my brows I was using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz and Dip Brow, the Dip Brow Gel, not the pomade. I will link that video above if you have not seen it. There was another product that came to mind when I was doing my brows, a drugstore product. It just got me to thinking, high-end luxury makeup versus drugstore, which is best and which should you spend your money on? And that's why we're here today. I'm gonna review the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz against the Maybelline Ultra Slim. So if you're interested in seeing the two go toe-to-toe, then stay tuned. Welcome back, hey. So let's get right into it. We're going to review these products today. We're going to do the brow pencils, but also for S&Gs, we're also going to do the gels as well. The ABH Dip Brow, and this is the Maybelline Brow Precise Fiber Volumizer Mascara. I'm going to brush up my brows. And I'm going to use ABH on my right brow to your left, and we'll do the Maybelline on my left brow to your right. Now I'm taking the Maybelline Brow Ultra Slim. And already for me, I'm just giving my thoughts here. The Maybelline Ultra Slim is coming in more defined. Now, it could be that this is just a darker shade. This is the Maybelline Brow Ultra Slim in the color 262 Black Brown. Now, my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz is in the color Ebony. I'm not sure how comparable those colors are. To me, they look exactly the same when I put them up next to one another, but the Maybelline is just a little deeper. So now I'm going to use the gels to go ahead and fill in my brows. I'm not using the pomades because for me, the gels do enough filling in to where I don't feel like I need more color with the pomades. So I'm going to use the Dip Brow on my right. Here's the Dip Brow. Now I'm going to take the Maybelline Brow Precise Volumizer Mascara on my left. Now, as far as the brow gels are concerned, ABH is much more pigmented with the gel. You can see that this brow is deeper than this brow, so it's definitely going to take another coat of the Maybelline to deepen this brow look. So now I'm going to go in and clean up the underbrow by just taking some concealer underneath.
Any ideas?
So this is the completed brow look. Now I'm going to go ahead and finish my face, and then I will come back and give you my thoughts on these products. But let's talk about these brows. I definitely up close can tell the difference because I did them, and you may be able to see because you saw me do them. But from a distance, does it really look any different? Yes, this one is darker. The outline on this one is definitely more prominent. You can't tell that the outer line is not as prominent as the Maybelline Ultra Slim. Which one should you get? Both. In my opinion, you can use this and not even need a pomade, incomparable to any brow gel that I've ever tried. Does such a good job. Of course, if you use the pomade, your brow's gonna look a lot more fuller. You can create much stronger brow strokes, but it's not necessary. You won't need it. But go with the Maybelline Ultra Slim. You're gonna save money. If you're in Ulta, you just need to walk to the other side of the store and pick up the Maybelline pencil. You're gonna save money because the Maybelline is $8 and the ABH is $21. The ABH is longer, but I'm not even sure if that means that you're getting more product, because look at this. I've only used this Brow Ultra Slim twice, and the ABH, I've used it twice. So in comparing the product, they've been used exactly the same amount of times. Actually, you can see it in my 5 head. Here is the Maybelline and here is the ABH. When you put the tips of them together, it looks to me like you're getting actually a little bit more in the Maybelline. If you put the base of them together, they look equal. I'm just saying you can save $13 and get the same amount of product, if not more, with better payoff. That's all I'm saying. But when it comes to the gels, definitely go with the dip brow. Why? Quite honestly, you can save a little bit of money going with ABH because Maybelline charges $10 for their Brow Precise gel, and you can get a miniature size of the ABH dip brow for $9. And if you want even more product, you can spend $18 and get the full size. The ABH I got in a duo set at Ulta, one of those deals that you see when you're in the checkout line. I always get got at the checkout line at Ulta and Sephora and Home Goods. So that is my assessment. To me, they both win. I definitely like this brow better because of the dip brow, but I would definitely go with the Maybelline pencil over the ABH pencil. So that is going to be it for my review, guys. I hope it was helpful for you. If so, then go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel because I know how YouTube works, and I know some of you guys are not subscribed to my channels, but you're still seeing my videos because you might have watched before. That's just how the algorithm works. You can also hit the bell notification so that you will know every time that I upload a video, and you won't just get what the algorithm is showing you. You'll get more videos like this. And if you are new here, my name is Brittany. I love makeup, hair care, skin care, nail care, any type of beauty care, and I do lifestyle videos here on my channel. So please consider hitting that subscribe button. Also, the monthly giveaway for August is open. I will be choosing the winner for July, and I will be announcing that winner in the description of the giveaway video for July, and I will be contacting that winner, so you guys can go and check out that video. I will link it, and yeah, I will see you in the next video. But until then, be your own kind of beautiful. Mwah.
Any ideas?